Hello there. Today I'm going to be showing you how we cut out the images for our words their way sorts. I have currently open the word sorts for syllables and affixes. Um, this book I found online. You can Google search it and find it if you would like. Otherwise, we will have links added to the district words their way page, so you'll be able to get each copy of the books for free in PDF form. Um, so first we're going to go to sort 4, and I'll show you how we cut it out. It's on page 23. So here's sort 4. Now as you can see, sort 4 doesn't fit on the screen. So what we need to do is we need to cut it down to 75%. And then we're going to take a screenshot of it. So we do that by pressing Command Shift 4. Okay, now we can select the area that we want to take a picture of. And I'm going to select the whole sort, including the title. Now that I've done that, you're going to see that it appears right over here on my desktop. There it is. And so I can close this and open the new one. All right, so again, we've got now we've got that that smaller image. We're going to make it 75% again. The reason we make it 75% is we just found that it fits onto the sort a lot nicer, and the kids don't have to fight to fit everything onto their page. So what we're going to do here is we're going to now cut it into pieces using Command Shift 4 again. So Command Shift 4, and I'm going to cut out the title. We keep the title. I keep the title because it's just makes it easier when you actually start making the sorts to open up the sort and remember what the rule is that each sort is teaching. So then I'm going to press Command Shift 4 and cut out each piece. Now it might seem like it's very monotonous or it's a lot of work to have to cut these out on the computer, but I think that you'll see by watching this video that it takes honestly about as much time as it would if you were using paper sorts. It does take some time, but the good thing is, I've done a lot of them for you already. I will be doing them, and as we save all these images, you will never have to cut them out again, because we'll have them all available in one place. So it's just part of the process getting there and getting them all cut out. Another strategy that I've used to get these cut out is I've had students after they finish their sort, I've had students do this for me and cut out the files, and then or cut out the pictures rather, and then I put them in the files. I actually had one student who was really good with her words their way sorts, who was able to move through it pretty quickly and understand the strategies. She was also good with technology, so what I had her do was actually create the entire sort. So everything that needed to be done, a second grader could do it. So I think everybody else should have no problem with it either, hopefully. So as you can see, it does take a little bit of time, but it's not that long. It's honestly not a lot longer than it would be if we were cutting it out on paper. So you can see my screen is getting pretty full over on the right side there. And voila, we've got all of them. So I can close this, right? And now what we've got is we've got all the images here, plus one mistake. So I always like to put them like this. This way I can kind of grab everything at once. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop them into the appropriate folder, which is the sort 4 images folder on Google Drive. So now I can take all of these and share them with all of you. You see that it uploads it, and it'll all be there. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to now use these screenshots to create the actual sort. So there you go.